morning children. Welcome to online class. Class 3. Subject Science. Unit 1. Our environment. Topic Environmental factors. First we discuss about what is environment. Our environment consists of everything around us. It has living and non-living things. We are surrounded by living things such as plants and animals. And the non-living things are water bodies, sunlight, air and land. Our environment is a wonderful gift to us given by the nature. In today's class, we are going to discuss about factors of environment. There are two main factors of the environment. They are biotic factors and abiotic factors. First we discuss what is biotic factors. Living organisms in our environment are called biotic factors. Example: lion, plantain, dove, human beings and etc. Now, abiotic factors. Non-living things in our environment are called abiotic factors. Example: air, soil, water, sunlight, temperature and etc. Okay children, now we discuss what are the difference between biotic and abiotic factors. First, biotic factors. They can breathe and grow. They need food to live. They can feel. They give birth to young ones. Okay. Now, abiotic factors. They cannot breathe and grow. They do not need food to live. Next, they cannot feel. They do not give birth to young ones. Okay, so these are the difference between biotic and abiotic factors. Okay children, what is environmentalist? A person who protects the environment. As an environmentalist, you can volunteer to protect plants and animals. Next, interaction between biotic and abiotic factors. All biotic factors depend upon abiotic factors for their living. Biotic and abiotic factors are linked to each other by the flow of energy through food. Plants are the most important among all the living organisms because they only can make food from abiotic factors like air, soil, water and sunlight. Okay. A few examples for interaction between biotic and abiotic factors. First one, human being. Human being is a biotic factors. They need abiotic factors such as water, air, sunlight for their living. Next, birds. Birds is a biotic factors. They need abiotic factors such as air, water and sunlight. They need biotic factors such as insects and trees. Next, insects. Insects need biotic factors such as small creatures and plants. What are the abiotic factors they need? They need soil and air. Okay children, in today's class we discussed what is biotic factors and what is abiotic factors and what are the difference between biotic and abiotic factors. And next we discussed about interaction between biotic and abiotic factors. Okay children, now for you homework. Now page number 61, classify the following as biotic and abiotic factors. They given the options. You have to find out the answer and place it in the correct places. Second question. Think and answer. A. A swing goes to and fro. Is it living or non-living thing? Find out the answer. B. We get wood from trees. Which are the living things? A chair is made from wood. Is the chair a living thing or a non-living thing? Can you guess the answer for this children? Okay, very good. Okay, we shall meet next class. Thank you.